Hey y'all, it's Peanut Q Public. Last time we showed you how to make a square knot. Square knot. This time we're going to show you how to make a square knot loop around a pendant. Alright, first of all, you're going to want one strand. That's all you need. You need it to be kind of long because you're making square knots. Square knots take up a lot of cord. So you take your cord, you take your split rings, because jump rings break easily. Split rings are like keychain rings in that it is one ring coiled, and so you actually have to split it in order to insert another ring and then go around so you can actually get them attached. It might be a little more difficult, but it's why my pendants don't fall off, and I've tried that out myself because I'm really rough on pendants. So you take your prepared connected split rings, put one over, and then you have connected here. Now you find what you are going to be putting it around. In our case, this spectacular pendant made by, once again, the Third Dimension. Facebook and Instagram, check them out. Alright, you take your pendant. It's not going to stay around it, but you need to measure it anyway so you can get a rough idea of how big your loop is going to be. Get it looped around there, and then send this end through that same split ring. You initially send it through, tighten that up, and that is how you will begin the square knot. There will be another part to this to actually show you how to start them out. See y'all then.